Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator. We are back with another video, even though I have been slacking these past few months, and that is not okay. But we are back, and I'm sorry if I look a little bit bright. It's just say hello to this light here. This is the light that's making me superty duperty freaking bright. But other than that, we're going to continue this video because guess what? This video will be made. No doubt, and I tilted. But anyway, you see my mic because I had to switch it. But anyway, what we finna do is we are going to be doing an unboxing today's package. My phone made an appearance, but whatever. We'll deal with the phone later. We'll be unboxing today's package as well as showing you brand new beauty items that are under $10. All right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start with unboxing today's package. Today we're going to be doing something from Fiora. This is something I've been wanting for quite a while, and I'm very excited I have it. Here it is. It is a magic eyeshadow stamp crease. Okay, I'm always thinking of the camera right here, but this is what it looks like. This is the box that it came in. I'm super excited that it came today because I was expecting it like late, like super late. I'm so glad that it came early. But this is definitely beautiful. But let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Alright, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. Give me 1 second. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is for you to hold it and, you know, let it stamp onto your lid. It fits my lid ever so perfectly. This is the stamper itself, and then this is just the holder so you can hold it without anything. This is like the laziest way to do eyeshadow looks, and I am looking forward to using this because even though I am progressing with doing my makeup, I am just so done with cleaning my brushes right now. Like especially anything that involves eyeshadow. So I'm just like, you know what, eyeshadow brushes get out the way. But this right here is a lifesaver. I've been wanting this for a while because I've seen it. So social media is going crazy over it. So I was thinking, you know, why not? I got this from Wish. This was it was going to be at least $3, but I got a special little code from doing a daily login, and I got at least maybe 5 to 10% off. I'm not quite sure, but yes, I only had to pay $150 for this bad boy. It is detachable. These are the two parts. I noticed that it was like detaching itself when I was messing around with it. It did have a little bit of dirt on it, but it was probably like it wasn't like dirt. It was like dust and lint. But I cleaned it off with alcohol, and it is perfect. All you gotta do is just put your eyeshadow primer on, and then boom, you should be done and things like that. And continue to do your makeup as much as you can. You can put your eyeshadow on here. You can put glitter on here. You can do whatever you want. Just do it properly with this. And you do it this way instead of doing it how you would do it with a brush. So yeah, I am absolutely excited for this. And I will be doing a makeup tutorial this Sunday using this product exactly. So look forward to see more Fiora products. Hopefully I can find some on Amazon. That would be really sweet. Okay, let's put this bad boy away and let's go on to travel. So I'm going to be using this quite often. So Marlboro has a Chasing Midnight promotion going on, and you could possibly be winning some daily prizes. So I'm super excited, and I won a nice little surprise. This is a travel tripod that I'll be using in the near future, especially when I do live streams. If I don't feel like holding my phone, or I don't feel like holding my camera, which I still have, I just need an SD card. If I don't feel like holding that camera, if I don't feel like holding none of that, this will be used. The tripod will be used. Compared to my other tripod, which I'll pick it up. Compared to my other tripod in size, you can obviously tell that it's bigger. This is what I use for the camera, even though I haven't used this yet. I've been testing it out, and it's doable. But if I want to travel and I want to show you guys what I'm like traveling along the day with, things like that. If I want to show you like what I've been doing like throughout the day, I just use this. Just, you know, walk around with. But I don't know if I feel, excuse me, I don't know if I feel comfortable with carrying that big old camera with this because I live in a not so friendly neighborhood. So I keep it in the house and I might use it for video purposes. But other than that, I'm using this for now on. This is definitely promising. This also came with a remote, a shutter remote. I'm not going to show that because I want to stay in the seat for the remainder of the video. But it came with a Bluetooth shutter remote. So when you take pictures, you won't have to worry about, you know, using your phone to like tap the white button to take your pictures. And of course, this came free, and I'm super excited. Last but surely not least, for unboxing today's package, we have this color gel from Amazon. This was about $1.99. This is what it looks like. I was expecting it to be a builder gel, but unfortunately it's not. It says nail system, number 23. I don't know why it says nail system, but this is the color that I have received. I don't know if you can see it. It's like completely white. There it is. And of course, I'm a bit upset because this was supposed to come around the 10th. It came around the 23rd, so that was why I was completely upset. But either way, it's here, and I shouldn't really be, you know, sick over it. But this will not be used as a builder gel because it's not a builder gel. It's just like a regular color gel. So this will probably be used. This will probably be used like designing, you know, like nail art. It won't be used as often. Now let's get down to beauty supplies for under $10. Let's start with my nails, of course, because I have seen the color gel. This is a Rite Aid product. This is a Kiss. I do believe I have information on it. Yes, this is the Kiss 100 full cover nails. It's in a short length. This came with a bonus 100 nail pieces. And this is in the short square style. This came with a nail glue, and I had to get a new nail glue because my old nail glue was getting on my nerves. The last nail glue I had was from Logic, and I just could not deal with it. But other than that, this nail glue here that you see is definitely cool. This is what it looks like along with the nails. So look forward to seeing these nails on me as I do my makeup this Sunday. This came around $7.49, and after the taxing, it was around $7.94. So that's under $10, which is good. And last but not least, we got beauty supplies. Yay! I went to the beauty supply store and I decided that I needed some gel. Your girl needs some gel and edge control. So let's start with the edge control. I have Cream of Nature Perfect Edges with Argan Oil from Morocco. This was about $5.99. I absolutely love this. It has a perfect hold, exotic shine, and it makes hair stronger. Oh my God, don't you love it? Smells really, really good. You know, you cannot go wrong with stuff like this. I'm going to show you the solution. And this concoction is absolutely beautiful. I cannot stop smelling this. That's how great this is. And last but not least, I got some styling gels. I got one from Echo Styler and Pro Styling. This one was $2.49. This is in the color, the original gel in color. Before it was clear, it was straight up black or brown and stuff like that. And then this one was $1.99. I guess based on the size, of course, they're going to be cheaper. But this is pretty dope. So yes, I am looking forward to using all these products. Not all at once, but I will be using them hopefully maybe in the next video. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this amazing video. Click the notification bell to be notified of all my videos. And then check the send me notifications box so you'll be notified all the time, not just occasionally. But until then, I will see you all next time. This Sunday, I will be doing a makeup tutorial because I am going to a lovely party for Memorial Day weekend. But I will see you all next time.